In this wonderful morning, everything seems to be peaceful and nice. But, on the table salt and table sugar, as the name suggests, are still quarreling over their dominance on the table.
Welcome to the first SAC unofficial dining table cup. Two players are chosen from their table sugar and table salt. The challenge the players are facing now is sauna. So, who do you think will win this game?
I have no idea to think about the dumb game, but I think I have my answer.
Let's have a look at the sauna room. Oh, it's now 150 degrees Celsius. Oh no, it's 180. See, sugar is dehydrating and melting, but salt seems to enjoy the temperature. Salt wins the first game. This is the second match. Players are in water. I have no idea how they even think about this, but the truth is that they are going to have a competition of conductivity. Here is table salt. Oh, light on immediately. Let's see the table sugar. Okay, nothing happened. I guess salt wins this game. This is the final game. Violent but direct. Players need to maintain their body shape while being executed. Table sugar is ready. Let's see. Okay, I think we have the result. Here is table salt. He is strong. He wins again. Oh, you're not surprised. Why?
Okay, fine, I can tell you why. If you have ever learnt about grade 10 science, you should know that table salt, or sodium chloride, is a kind of ionic substance. To obey the octet rule, the metal ion releases electrons and the non-metal ion accepts these electrons, which forms positively charged cations and negatively charged anions. This is why ionic substances are good conductors of electricity in the dissolved state, in which ions dissociate and become free charges to conduct electricity. A lot of energy is required to separate the positive and negative charges in ionic compounds. This is the reason for their high melting and boiling points. Because of the electrostatic force, they keep this pattern to form crystal lattice, so they are hard. But they are brittle too. If you apply a little bit more pressure in the hydraulic press machine, the salt will crush and split. However, table sugar, or sucrose, is a kind of covalent substance, which consists of hydrogen, oxygen and carbon atoms. All of them are non-metals, so they can't give away their electrons, but instead, they share them. For example, the electron from hydrogen atom also works in oxygen atom, and oxygen is going to share one more electron with hydrogen, to fit its duet rule. This makes them bad conductors of electricity, because the covalent bonding ties the atoms so tight, that the molecule won't dissociate, or carry any charge after dissolving. But the intermolecular force, the attraction force between molecules, is a weak force. Therefore less energy is required to separate these molecules from each other, so they have low melting and boiling points, and are not as hard in comparison with ionic compounds. Graphite is another example of soft covalent substance. It is almost crushed into bidimensional.
You are right.
Wait a minute.
My God, it's diamond. Look what he just did.
Okay, I think I should correct my statement. Most covalent substances have these properties, but they can vary a lot when the structure changes. I hope table salt and table sugar can remember this, and work hard on the table. Because the dominance on the SAC table is always the chicken.